Welcome back to the channel. Today I just received the package from Shopee, which I ordered some time ago, and that is the air dust remover. Basically, the air dust remover consists of compressed air that you can actually spray at electronics. For example, your keyboard, for example, your PCB, your motherboard. It comes handy when you want to remove those persistent dust that sticks onto your electronic surfaces. Let's unbox this particular package and see what's inside. I've ordered two. So this is the air dust, they call it the air duster or air dust remover. So basically this is a 450 ml of compressed air. Okay, so it's meant for blowing dust from electronic equipment. So you can actually use it on your keyboard, on the PCB electronics, or even on the camera, the edges. So this is the instruction. So you have to actually shake it well before use, and insert the air pipe into the hole and use the hand pressure nozzle, such that the dust can be blown away by the strong gas and the dust is clean and dedusting. So this is the nozzle, right? You can see from here. Okay, I will just give it a shake. You can see it clearly, all the dust accumulated inside the dim slot. Okay, basically you have seen it at work. So basically you just actually spray off all the dust. I placed the links in the description box below, so do remember to check it out. And also, if you like our video, do remember to subscribe and like it. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.